In this video, I just want to show you how you can use Comet AI to do something that normally you would have to sit in front of the computer and keep iterating over. So right here, I've got Skybox AI by Blockade Labs. And normally when I generate a skybox, I have to do it over and over and over again until I get something that I want. And so I've got right here, we've got the assistant right here in the Comet browser. And in the assistant, I have provided my prompt. My prompt basically gives the instructions for the skybox that I want. And one thing that I've been learning is useful is to give Comet some help sometimes with the interface or with like knowing where to find things. So in fact, I'll show you here in this one. This is my full prompt. Okay. And you can see that I'm basically just giving it the instructions. I've got some arrows pointing at the different parts of the interface. And yeah, so let's go ahead and use Comet to generate a skybox. So first of all, you can like everywhere that you see this yellow, like this is my arrow. So I'll keep my arrow over here out the way after I hit the submit button. So you can see what's me and what's Comet. So I'll just leave my arrow over here on this side. Okay, so now you can tell the Comet has taken over by the blue bordering hue that's around the Skybox AI window. And we can see, the chain of thought. So it decided it was going to clear the current prompt. And we can see the chain of thought like as it's deciding what to do. So now it's like perfect. Both fields are now clear. Now I'll enter the prompt text. So it's given the prompt text. And once again, like hands free. All right. It used the right, so it did use the right model, M3 Magic Realism. It did switch to that. It put the negative text in and it put the prompt in. So right now it's waiting. So you can see right here it's saying I'll wait for the skybox to render. You have to you have to treat you have to treat Comet similar to how you would with your vacuum cleaner, like your iRobot or something like that. So you have to give it, kind of instructions and guardrails on what to do. But once you do that, it'll run and it'll do exactly what you gave it to do. So let's see if it's able to inspect the 360 view. Ah, it didn't click and drag. It clicked generate another one. Let's cancel that one. Let's cancel that one. See, it couldn't do this. I noticed that it has a hard time doing this, but this is exactly what I was looking for. But yeah, like this literally works. So as you can see, I wanted a nighttime scene of a dope city skyline with lights in the far background. I said I need the center to be empty because I will build my world in the center area. Okay, the skyline needs to be far away and there need to be emptiness. Okay, so yeah, this is the model I want to use is M3 Magic Realism. Yeah, perfect. So this is one thing. So now anytime I want to generate a skybox, I'll use the Comet Assistant. I've already got my prompt. I just pop my prompt in, put in whatever I want, and it'll sit back and do it. I can go away and do other stuff. So yeah, I'm loving Comet so far. And of course, this isn't the only thing I use this for. I've been using this for all sorts of stuff. But I just wanted to show this because, we have to sit back and keep tweaking on these prompts. And this is just a way to let the AI talk to the AI and do it.